Welcome back. Let us continue. The area of a circular field is 13.86 hectares. Find the cost of fencing it at the rate of 4.4 rupees per meter. So to find the cost of fencing, we need to know the circumference of the area. So to calculate the circumference, we need the radius. We can find out the radius from this area. We know 1 hectare is equal to 10 power 4 meter square. That is 10,000 meter square. So 13.86 hectare is equal to 138600 meter square. So the area which is equal to pi r square is equal to 138600. So r square is equal to 138600 divided by pi, which is 22 by 7. I will take the 7 to numerator. We can divide by 2. This will be 11. This will be 69300. So we can divide 693 by 11. 6 11s are 66, 3 11s are 33. So this will be 6300 into 7. So r square is written by 63 into 7 into 100. This 63 can be written as 9 into 7 into 7 into 100. So this is r square. So r will be equal to 3 into 7 into 10, which is 210 meter. Now we have to calculate the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 210. So this will be 30. So it is 44 into 30. 3 4s are 12. 1 3 4s are 12. 130. So the circumference is 1320 meter. So the unit cost is 4.4 meter. So the total cost will be unit cost into circumference, that is 4.4 into circumference 1320. This is equal to 132 into 44. We shall multiply this 132 into 44. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 1 4 is 4, 5. Similarly 528. This will be 8085. So answer is 5808C. Okay, we shall go to the next problem. A circular wire of diameter 42 cm is bent in the form of a rectangle whose sides are in the ratio of 6:5. Find the area of the rectangle. Let us draw the rectangle. Let the sides be 6x and 5x. So a circular wire is bent in the form of rectangle. So circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r or pi d, because diameter is given directly here. And perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 6x plus 5x. So we shall substitute the values. D is 42 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 11x. So x is equal to, we shall divide this. This is 21. 21 into pi by 11. 21 by 11 into pi is 22 by 7. This will be 2. This will be 3. So x is equal to 6 centimeter. So they are asking the area of the rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is 6x into 5x. This is 6 5s are 30 into x square is 6 square. So 30 into 36. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9, 10. We will add this 0 here. So the answer is A, 1080 centimeter square. Next question. A circular grassy plot of land 42 meter in diameter, that is the inner one, has a path of 3.5 meter wide running around its outside. So the width of this path is 3.5 meter. Find the cost of graveling the path at 4 rupees per square meter. So we have to find out the area of this shaded region and multiply with respect to this unit cost. So to find out the area, we have to subtract the outer circle area minus the inner circle area. So area of the grassy part is equal to pi r square. Let capital R be the outer square and the small case be the inner square, pi r square, and small case be the inner circle radius. So we will take pi in common. So we can calculate small r is 42 by 2, which is 21 meter, and the big one is 21 plus 3.5, which is equal to 24.5 meter. 24.5 square minus small r is 21 square. We shall use a plus b into a minus b. 24.5 plus 21 into 24.5 minus 21. This will be pi into 24.5 plus 21 is 45.5, and then this will be 3.5. This is the area. Now we have to find the cost of graveling the path at 4 per square meter. So total cost will be equal to area of this shaded region into cost, that is pi into 45.5 into 3.5 into 4. Let us calculate. 22 by 7 into 45.4 into 3.5 into 4 will be equal to 714. So this we can cancel as 2. So this is 44 into 45.4. We'll multiply it separately. 45.4 into 44. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 21, 2, 4 4 16, 17, 18, 18. So 1816, 6, 7, 9, 9, 1. The answer is close to 2000. I am sorry, there is a mistake here. So this is 45.5. Here I have made it as 45.4. So we have to multiply 45.4. So 5 4s are 22, 5 4s are 20, 22. So this will be 20. So adding this 1820 plus 1820, 1820, 1820, 0 2 0 0 2. So the answer is 2002. Okay. Next problem. The radii of 3 concentric circles are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Find the ratio of area between the 2 inner circles to that between the 2 outer circles. So we have to find out the area between this region and the outer region. So let the inner region be mentioned as I and the outer region be mentioned as O. Since the radii are in the ratio 1:2:3, let us assume the radius as R, 2R and 3R. So we can see the inner circle radius is R, mid circle radius is 2R and the outer one is 3R. So we have to find out the ratio of area between 2 inner circles and 2 outer circles. So it is A I by A O. A I is nothing but pi R2 square minus R1 square, that is 2R square minus R square. And for the outer circle it is pi 3R square minus 2R square. Okay, we shall calculate. We can take R square as common and then we can cancel out each other. The numerator will be 2 square minus 1. The denominator will be 3 square minus 2 square. So this is 4 minus 1. This one is 9 minus 4. This is 3 by 5. The answer is D, 3 by 5. Okay. Next question. In a circle of radius 28 cm, an arc subtends at an angle of 72 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc and the area of the sector so formed. So this is quite simple. We have to find out the area of the sector and length of the arc. Okay, so R is given by 28 centimeter and the angle theta is equal to 72 degrees. So here only area is given here. Directly we will take the formula for area. Area is equal to pi r square. This is for the circle into the sector the piece which we are taking, that is theta by 360. So pi into r is 28, 28 into 28 into theta is 72 by 360. We shall divide by 12. This is 6 and this one is 30. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 6 by 30. This will go 4 times. This will go 2 times 15, and this will be 2 times and 5 times. Let us rewrite this. It is 22 into 2 into 28 into 2. So it is 4 into 28 divided by 5. So we will multiply this. 22 into 4 is 88. So 28 into 88 is equal to 8 8s are 64. 6, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 224. 4, 6, 4, 2. So it is 2464. We have to divide by 5. 2464. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 9 5s are 45. 1 4. 2 5s are 10. 4 0. 0.8. So the answer is 492.8 centimeter square. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.